Isang mapagpalang hapon po sa inyo lahat and welcome back sa
First
ating
time,
live.
Violet.
This is the Battle for Third.
Punta na kayo dito.
Ganun lang o, ganun.
Okay, nandito na si Ram.
Sports, nakalive na ako ha. Shoutout mo tayo sa ating mga kasama dito. Hey! Let's go! Battle for Third, our first game between the pink team versus the dark blue team. Ayan, good luck. Sino kaya tatanghaling third place sa ating season 2 ng ating barangay Maytunas Cup 2026?
Jay, Darko. Yan.
Shoutout mo tayo rin kay Cap
Mamaya
Ryan Sigera, ang ating punong kabala.
championship natin. Violet versus Yellow.
Cap! Kapray! Kapray! Pamirin sa mga Cap. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Shop! Message mo lang para sa barangay Captain Cap. Hello Cap, may gusto kong sabihin.
Una, maraming salamat. Okay, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga tumulong at para mabuo ang intercolor na to sa aking mga kagawad na kasama natin ngayon. Nandito sa Pinoy Arena. Sa lahat na nag-sponsor, syempre kay Sir Rocco, kay Mayor Francis Zamora, kay Vice Mayor AAA at sa mga konsehal ng District 2, maraming salamat sa inyo. So kasama ko ngayon ang aking mga kagawad na nandito ngayon na nakasuporta. So Battle for Third and Fourth po, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Okay, manood po tayo ma'am.
Punta po kayo, mga kabarangay, punta natin. Invite natin. Yan, punta po kayo, mga kabarangay. May tunas. Thank you po. Thank you.
Check, mic. First dive. Pwesto na tayo. Tayo ay magsisimula na.
Congratulations po sa ating barangay council of barangay Maytunas.
We are now.
Ayan, maraming salamat. It's an honor na maging part ng inyong pag-cover ng inyong mga paliga dito sa barangay Maytunas, San Juan. Good luck sa ating battle for third, pink versus dark blue. Let's go!
Or wait lang.
Check. Wait lang. Okay na.
Patrick.
Number 22.
3 points. point. Oh, good.
Naman kami, no?
Oy, wala.
Rebound number 17. Steal number 8. Tana.
Oy.
Traveling. Regulation.
No good.
Review. Big ball.
Alam niyo, kabayan ito. Matigas ang ano dyan.
5-0. Wala.
Rebound with TY.
Arabahan.
Outside. Big ball. 24 seconds in the shot clock.
Time remaining po natin, 7 minutes and 10 seconds. I-post po tayo. Oh, good.
Outside. Blue ball.
Walang bago.
Shot clock 9.
Number 19, no good. Out and pass.
Foul. Olvina. Jersey number 3. First personal foul. First Simba. Number 22. T1.
Yes.
2 points.
For Dark Blue team. Number 19 and gets the foul.
Jersey number 11. Reed. James Reed. First personal
Reed.
foul. First Simba.
Line jersey number 19. No good.
James Reed daw. Matindi yun.
Hindi ko naman nagamit.
Steal number 4. Jericho Rosales. 2 points. Foul. Jersey number 9. First personal foul. Second team foul of 1990 correction. Rosales.
On the free throw area, number 11. Let's read. First shot is good. Yes, sir. Second shot for Reed. No. Yeah, by Magat. 10-2. Number 4. Kick out to number 19. 4-3. Bam!
Rosales 3.
Rosales. At ito, kumakapit ang pink team. D. 4-3. In and out. Oh, number 3. Magat with the put it back.
Official score 12-7. 12-5, correction.
12-5.
5 minutes, 9 seconds.
Running shot, no good. Rebound ng dark blue. What an extra pass, no good. Number 19 for 3, no. Rebound by number 3. Bounce pass. Number 22.
Shot clock 10 seconds.
Jump shot, no. And a rebound. Rosales. Oh, number 8.
Foul. Change 5. Number 8. First personal foul. Third team foul. Second team foul, correction. Of the dark blue team.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 26 seconds.
Change 5.
Bola rito ng pink team.
Shot clock 13. Shot clock 10 seconds. Foul.
Yes, a foul.
Number 12. 11, correction. Second personal foul, number 11. Third team foul. Good.
Good. Number 11 for 3, no good.
Rebound by Rosales.
Rosales nagmamadali. Rosales drive and score for Rosales. Out the pass, D. What a nice layup for D.
Symbol. Shot clock 16.
Side step, miss.
Shot clock 10.
Number 12
Jersey
and a
number
put
12.
back.
Moya, 2 points.
Fourteen 9. D for 3, no good. Rebound ng dark blue.
Shot clock 10.
Number 11 for 3, no good. Rebound ng pink team. Rosales to number 12, pull up, no. Number 11 with a rebound. Grabe ang taas ng talo nun. Number 12, sumalaksak, too strong. Rebound ng dark blue. Ayun na, nagmamadali si number 9, drop pass, D. Using the glass and score. Number 19 for 3, no.
Time remaining 2 minutes 9 seconds in the first quarter. Official score 16-9 in favor of dark blue.
16-9 favor of the dark blue. Oh, and a steal. Number 11 to Rosales, too strong. Uy, isa pa. Moya and a steal. Number 9 running shot, no. Number 22, D with a foot in the back. Get their office
From Pascual.
for D. Number 11. Jump shot, no good. Basket
Rosales.
for Rosales.
Jericho.
1 minute and 14 seconds. Number 69.
1 minute left.
Oh, steal. Rosales all the way. 18-13. Number 22. There's a foul.
Jersey number 2.
Number 2.
First personal. Third team foul. Pink team. DY shooting 2.
On the free throw area, D.
Oo nga, lumipat pala. Kala ko niloloko ako eh.
Di ba yung pala yung manalo?
Wala pala sila.
Last 47 seconds.
Rebound by Hemboya.
Basket by Hemoya. Oh, good pala. Sorry. Hemoya.
35 seconds left.
Last 35 seconds.
3-point lead by the dark blue. 18-15.
18-15. Tatlo na lamang po ang lamang ng dark blue.
Shot clock 10 seconds.
Bounce pass. And a steal. Rosales all the way.
Rosales.
Basket for Rosales. Top 1 point lead. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Tira. Uy.
That's the end of our first quarter.
End of the first quarter. Official score at 17-18.
Only 1 point lead. by the
1 point
dark
lead
blue.
for the dark blue. Ayan, lamang dito ang dark blue. Ng isa. Ayan, muli maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa ating Barangay Maytunas Cup 2026. This is our season 2. Ayan, Ayan, maraming salamat po sa papapcorn ni Team Council. Ayan, thank you. Punta na po kayo mga kabarangay, Maytunas, at sa lahat ng gusto manood ng ating championship game. Ayan, meron pa tayong championships next game po natin. This is our first game, battle for third, dark blue versus pink. Sino kaya ang makakakuha ng kampiyonato? Ang second game natin ay LT versus the purple team.
Back to the ball game. Second quarter.
Alright, back to the ball game.
Rosales. 3. Jericho.
For Jericho
2 point lead by the
Rosales.
pink team.
Di babawi sa tres.
Bumawi si DY. 3.
3 point for the may sagot agad ang dark blue ron. Isa pa.
Oh, 3.
Ayan na, showdown na, naghahamon na ng tres. Babawi din kaya ang dark blue. Number 8.
Rosales. Coast to coast by Jericho.
Basket by Jericho.
25-21. Basket discarded. That's the foul number 22, Olvina. Second personal foul. First team foul with the big team. Rebound Rosales.
Lalo din mga bangka natin.
Foul.
It's a foul.
Number 3, Maga. First personal foul. First team foul.
Ayan, maraming salamat po, Ma'am Leonora Alvarez Himoya sa 35 star. Ayan, thank you po. Ayan, sabi ni Ma'am Leonora, yes, go, babes. Rudy Himoya. Ayan, from Leonora Alvarez Himoya. Thank you po, Ma'am.
Push the score
Leonora.
26-23.
26-23, up by 3 ang Pink Team. Uy, short. And a steal by number 17.
Seymour, 8 seconds in the shot clock.
Number 3 for 3. No.
Pink ball.
Away pa kayo.
4-3, in and out.
In and out.
Rebound ng dark blue. Bounce pass. Uy, out of bounds.
Discrimination pass. Pink ball.
Yan, maraming salamat po sa pa-popcorn. Ikaw pa, Ryan. And Barangay Council, Barangay Maytunan. Punta na buhay dito mga barangay. Rosales for 3. No. Rebound. 40. Number 11. Reed. No. Number 8. Jump shot short. Rebound 2 against 1. Reed one extra pass. Bam.
John Wick.
26-25.
1, 2, or 3.
For 3. Bam. 3 point for Rosales. 29-25. Number 8 and 1.
That's a foul. Number 8.
May jersey
Number
number 8.
Dana. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Ay, hello po. Ito na. Out of bounds, last touch.
19 seconds to the shot clock.
Rosales. And steal. Makuha rito ng dark blue. Outlet pass. Uy.
Out of bounds. Team ball.
Out of bounds.
ball, pink ball.
Good. Moya! No? Isa pa.
Malabas.
May manlabas.
Tuwa-tuwa si Marilyn ha. Marilyn, tuwa-tuwa ka dyan ha.
Sial. Rosales. Uy! Ayan. Block from D. Oh, nagagawan.
Foul number 9. 19, correction, 19. 69. First personal. Second rebound.
Good. Out of bounds.
Pink ball.
For 3, no good. Foul.
Jersey number 11, Manlabas.
That's number 11, Manlabas.
First personal foul.
First
Third team
personal
foul.
foul. First team foul. Second team foul.
Third team foul. Para pink team.
Oh, steal.
Sylvain Rosales.
Rosales.
Got it.
Nice move.
Official score 33-35, 29. 6-point lead by the pink team.
29 daw po. 35-29 ang order sa ating official.
10 seconds in the shot clock.
Number 9, Pulaban.
2 points. A squad. Blue ball.
Number 69. Wow.
A squad from Mamuban. Time out. By the pink team. Official score 35-31. Apat na lang ang hinahabol.
35-31 ang order sa ating official.
32 seconds.
1 minute and 32 seconds. Time out muna rito. Ang
Here in
pink team.
the second quarter of the first half. Okay, correction of score. Official score 25-23. Only 2-point lead.
Ayan, nagsimula na ang ating official score. 35-33. Ayan, ating official score. 2-point lead for the pink team. Rosales, setting on. Pass to Himoya. Rudy. Rosales. And that's a draw. Number 69 to number 15 for 3, no good. Rosales with the rebound.
Number 1. Number 11.
Sayang.
Dumigit yung paa.
35-33.
20 seconds
21
in the shot
seconds.
clock. Shot clock 10. 15 seconds remaining.
Number 8.
Shot clock.
Number 69, no good. And out of bounds. For 3. Oh!
And that's the end of our first half.
End of the first half, official score
Official
35.
score 35.
33. Ayan. Magbabalik tayo para sa ating second half.
Guys, sa lahat pa ng gusto ng popcorn, meron po tayo dun sa gilid.
And thank you po, Kap.
May 3 popcorn.
Nakakuha tayo for the meantime. Ayos ko lang po yung signal natin. Maraming salamat po.
Lahat po ng hindi pa nakakatikim. Camilo, libre ang pamedika. Watching T, D43, no good. Rebound by number 8, pinalik kay Watching T. Umatake, foul. Who's foul red? Foul number 21. Number 21, first personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots. DY. Sablay. Ang aga pa niya kanina dito. Second shot. Hindi tumama na rin. Net lang. Ortiz. Nagkakit dyan. Oy! Una, Jadwick! Jadwick! Dire-diretso! Pinasa kay D, kinaliwa. Simpleng-simple. Kaliwaan. Naka-pressure na sila. Oh, may sumabit. Who's foul rep? Foul. Almorit. Foul number 11. Third personal foul number 11. First team foul. Alfred. Tripping the ball. Binabantayan ni Jadwick. Umatake sa loob. Wala.
Oh, steal.
Nakuha ni Magat. Magat. Pinasa kay Jadwick. Ayun o, Piolo. Piolo, pass to Piolo.
Nice move.
Boys by Piolo. Okay. Number 32, Olpina, one hand. Wala, nakuha ulit niya. Pass to to Rosales. Rosales, tumigada, wala ulit. Olvina ulit. Kaya naman, nakuha ni James. Pinasa ka dito. Pinasa sa referee. Referee, Borhan. Remaining time, 8 minutes and 25 seconds. Gana. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Dala, umatake, pinasa kay Jake. Number 4, wala sa fly. Oh, last touch. Foul. Jersey, number 4. First personal foul, second team foul. Basket 1, James Reed. Two by two by James Reed. Rosales. As he did in midcourt. Out of bounds, speed ball. Out once again. Big ball. G1, 2 points. Jersey number 11. Fourth personal foul, warning. And the second team foul in the blue team.
Deep for 3. 3 point for D. 45.
Now big strike. Number 8. Second personal foul, third team foul by the blue team. May nagluluto, may nagsasayin. Seconds in the shot clock for the big team. Jersey number 15. First personal foul. 14 foul. Warning for penalty for the blue team. Shot clock 14. your score, 37-45. Lamang na lamang ang Asul. 5 minutes left. Balagsak. Foul. Number 2, second personal foul. Third team foul for the pink team. Wow, number 2,
Counted ba? Basket count, eh, naman.
Number 69. No basket. Penalty na tayo, penalty. No basket, pero penalty na, penalty.
The free throw area, no mo yan, wala. Second shot for Hemoya. Basket.
10 palaman para sa blue team, 48-38. 4 minutes and 15 seconds left.
Uy. Tama score?
Imoya. Pass to Jing. Here we go, Rosales. 8-point lead by the blue team.
Pass. Hemoya. Basket for Hemoya. Time out.
Para sa blue team. Blue team, dalawa na lang ang timeout. Ang
Shot
fourth
talaga yung
quarter.
Hemoya.
King team, tatlo ba?
Yan eh. Mga barangay, punta na po kayo dito sa ating San Juan Arena. Ayun, oh. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Back to the ball game.
Full game. May change tayo mamaya ng signal ng network. Hindi pa tayo sa smart. Sana okay smart mamaya.
Battle for the third place.
Ayan, time remaining 3 minutes and 24 seconds.
Ang blue or pink. 3 minutes 20, the third quarter.
Pass. Number 19. Rosales.
Apat na lang ang inahol. 48-44. Blocking foul number 69. Third personal foul. Penalty.
Penalty. On the free throw area, number 10. Basket. 45-48. Ito, isa lang ah.
Blue ball. Shot clock 24. Nara sa Ay! And unsportsmanship foul. Unsportsmanship leg foul. Number 12. Number 12. 3 minutes cool off. 3 minutes. Balik ka ng fourth quarter. 9 minutes, 29 seconds. TY shooting.
First shot is good for Dia.
Seconds in the shot clock. That's a ball position for the blue team. 49-45 is the official score. 2 minutes, 29 seconds remaining. Puta. Number 69. TY Inalaro. Same ball, 40 seconds in the shot clock.
Sige, paandarin mo.
Shot five. Nakuha na beat.
Nice pass.
Number 1, 2 points.
47-49. For 3, no good.
No good, number 69, free ball. 2 points. Fisher score 51-47. Single down, 14 seconds in the shot clock.
Number 9, back.
Number 9, Pascual, please.
Ay, Pascual.
1 minute left.
Walang steal.
Blocking ball. Jersey number 9, first personal foul penalty. Shot clock 20. 54-49. 5-point lead by the black team, blue team. John Wick. Wick John. Hall. Binatid. Number 11.
Session na po kung paputol-putol ha. Change po tayo mamaya ng
Second personal. 4 team foul. Warning for penalty. 17 seconds in the shot clock. Puta. Very long, number 10. Nakamura. CY. 20 seconds left. And that's the end of our third quarter. Official score 54-49. In favor pa rin sa ating blue team.
Alright, end of the third period, 49-54. Sa pagtatapos ng ating third period. Ayan, tayo dadawan na sa ating fourth and last quarter. Sino kaya ang natatanghaling third place? Ayan, shoutout po sa ating mga kabarangay. watching while eating popcorn. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa mga sponsor. Shoutout po mga kabarangay May Tunas. Ayan, si Idol Licodine, Timothy.
Next game, the finals game.
Ayan. Shoutout po din tayo sa ating mga kagawad.
The
Hello!
yellow team versus the Power team.
Punta na po kayo mga kabarangay. Ayan o.
The German Star, Barangay May Tunas 2026. Back to the ball game, the final quarter.
Okay, back to the ball game. Fourth and last quarter tayo.
Pink ball, pink ball. Pwede pumasok yun. 3 minutes yun, 3 minutes. Pasok pa rin yung 1 minute nga sa fourth quarter natin. Big ball na, big ball. Big ball. Ayan ay sauling yung fourth corner. Iba ko may G3. Shot up 10.
Hoy! Ano, Kimoya?
Aguirre Gonzalez. Cheers!
Basket para kay Reed. 56-49. Number 42, no good. Myron Sales. 56.
Shot up 10.
Number 17, 43, no good.
Rebound, Olvira. Out of bounds. Blue ball. Substitution. Sub. Hindi na mag-sub. Open sub na tayo. Blue ball. 24 seconds in the shot clock. Shot clock 10.
Hemoya, no.
Official score 58-51. Shot clock 8 seconds.
3, no good.
Shot clock 10 seconds.
Wala pa rin. No good. No rebound by Hemoya. Hemoya nagmamadali. Hemoya. Uy. Bad pass. Number 3. Jump shot. No. No good. Hemoya miss. Rosales basket. 58-53. Baba sa 5 ang lamang ng dark blue.
Shot clock 8.
Love jumper.
2 points. David. Foul. Number 8. Third personal foul. First team foul.
Baba na lamang sa 5. Good defense.
People.
Good.
Shot clock 10 seconds.
Rosales to Hemoya. No good. Another rebound. Hemoya gets the putback.
16:55 official score.
Uy, no good.
Jump ball, blue ball, three ball. 11 seconds, shot clock.
57-60 ang ating talaan.
Shot clock 11.
With the time remaining 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Repost ko na lang po ito mga sir.
11
Problema tayo
seconds
sa
to
signal.
shoot.
Pero magpapalitan ko mamaya ng signal ng network with the smart. Mukhang mahirap sa globe.
Shot clock 6.
Pero natin, okay naman dito. Number 17 for 3. Bang! Maria. Rosales gets a foul.
Number 7. Number 17. First personal foul, second team foul.
Wala. shot, no? Oh, and
Against
steal.
zero. Time! Dark Blue!
Dark blue team. Time remaining 4 minutes.
Sa lang ang
and 2
tama ng
seconds.
Dark Blue. Ang pink. Dalawa pa.
Ayaw muna ang dark blue rito. For this time out, tingnan natin ang handle ng blue. Oh, dark
Time
blue.
remaining 42 seconds left.
Break naman nata muna eh. Di ba? Para maka-adjust ako.
Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game. 57-63. In favor pa rin sa dark blue.
Para sa ngayon ng ating pangatlong pwesto. Ating nakalamangan para sa blue team.
8, no.
Shot clock 8.
Seven for 3. No good.
Good.
Rebound by Rosales. Rosales all the way. Miss. Rebound. Uy. Emoya. Gets
No
the
basket.
foul.
Foul number 17 again. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Substitution. Sub. Out of bounds. Blue ball. Last 17 seconds left. Shot clock 10 seconds. Now to
Malapit na
foul.
tayo sa dulo. Deep for 3. Short.
Jersey number 12. Iwala. Second personal foul. First team foul.
Read on the free throw area. Basket. Second shot, good. 2 for 2 for
Fisher
Reed.
scores 65. 57 ang aksawalo. Ang blue team.
4-3, no good. In and out.
Rosales three.
3 point for Rosales.
Nasa lima. Last minute, 45 seconds.
Correction, 65. Nabami na lamang sa 5. Number 11, Reed.
Nakagawa ng big team.
Tatlo na lang. Ang last. Ayan na, malapit na tayo sa last 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Munti ka na.
Shot clock 10. lock 10. Ano tama, Greg? Number 11 balls, sa Blossom. Fourth team ball by the blue team, 1 penalty. Last 1 minute and 44 seconds.
Uy, yes, steal! Number
Jamie!
72. Rosales with the putback. With the rebound. Rosales, photo tie the game. In and out. Rebound by D. Oh, traveling by Ayan, nakikita na tayo. Tatlo na lang ang inahabol.
By the pink team, 14 seconds in the shot clock.
Time out, pink team, dark blue rather.
Okay. Maya-maya, kailangan natin ng 5 tao. Half-court shot. Sino sasali sa half-court shot? Okay, maya-maya na yan. Okay, 5-5 daw, 5-5. Half-court shot. Okay, half-court shot, 10,000. 10,000 likes. 10,000 likes.
There we go, 10,000 likes. Sabi ni God. Okay, 14 seconds in our shot clock. Inbound. Steven, 14 seconds. 14 seconds in the shot clock. 1 minute, 16 seconds remaining.
16 seconds.
Ito na ang habol pa ang pink team. Rosales. The rebound. DY to Jeremy.
Inahabol din. Uy!
Wala, hindi naman.
Good defense para kay Hemoya, Rudy.
1 minute, 3 seconds left.
Hassel. Last
Ang ending,
1
5-2.
minute.
Last 1 minute.
Last 1 minute na tayo. Uy!
Segundo na nga ang oras. Nananali. Rosales, iwan mo na. Fourth, may foul na tinawag.
DY, arte. Ang arte ni DY. Paano yung kamay? Paano yung kamay? DY, paano yung kamay?
Second team foul na lang. 24 seconds in the shot clock. Forty seconds left. Hey, umila ang linya. 25 seconds left.
Last
Tatlo lang ang
25 seconds.
Azul.
Tatlo pa rin ang lamangan
35
ng Dark
seconds
Blue.
left. Both teams may isa pa kayong timeout.
Teams, 1 more timeout left.
Foul.
Foul.
Jesse, penalty na tayo. Third personal foul. John Wick, penalty na tayo. 62, 65. Tatlo lang ang inahabol. Next game, the finals game between the yellow team and the violet team. Basketball.
Last 32 seconds.
32 seconds
remaining. 65.
Para may
63. Wow!
32 seconds left. 30 seconds.
Last 30 seconds.
65-64.
Ayun na, crucial to, crucial.
Shot clock 9.
Uy, munti ka na.
Shot clock violation. 7
Ayun na, 7 seconds. Oh my goodness. Last 7 seconds remaining.
Rams, baba ka, isa. Punta ka dito, kunin mo yung pagkain. Baba ka dito, kunin mo yung pagkain.
Grabe, last 7 seconds na lamang po. 65, 64.
Okay, Dad. Dad. Remaining times, 7.4 seconds.
Basta mo, Maruin.
This season 2 Integral Basketball is brought to you by Team My Tunas and Gina Mango Nectar.
Ayun na, last 7 seconds. Magkakaalaman tayo rito. Sino kaya ang tatanggap? 7 segundo. 1 point lead para sa Dark Blue. Depensa
Wala
sila
kayong
dito.
boy na. Okay? Walang tawag na? Okay. 64-65 naman po ang Team Dark Blue.
Ayan na, tingnan
Win
natin.
or go home. Number
7,
19,
6, 5.
Number 19,
Rosales. Oh, same ball.
ang sabi ng ating referee, same ball.
Last 2
Nakataas na, same
seconds.
ball.
2 seconds remaining.
Remaining time, 2.3 seconds.
Ayan na. 2 segundo for the win. Oh, and a steal by D.
Foul.
And there's a
Foul.
foul.
Donna. Second personal foul, Donna. Wala pa tayo sa penalty.
0.8 seconds na
Wala pa sa
lamang.
penalty, wala pa.
Grabe, depensa doon ng Dark Blue.
Winner go
Ayan
home.
na. Oh! And the winner of the third place. Magmumulaya para sa Dark Blue and nice game.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Ayan, it's ganawan. Nice game. Our final score at 65-64. Panalo po ang Dark Blue. Nice game, bro.
Again, congratulations.
Congrats, pare.
Dark Blue.
Diyan mo ya. Nice game, saya. Nasa ito, ano mo, si Kuya, asama mo si, shoutout. Sheila. Shoutout. Sheila. Sorry, Leonora.
Huwag na kayo sumali. Okay,
Sayang ah.
para naman po sa mga
Ma'am Leonora Alvarez Semoya. Maraming
Maraming
salamat po sa star.
Okay.
Alright, halftime
Pila
tayo.
muna tayo, pila. Sandali lang, okay. Habang inaantay natin yung susunod na laban.
Papa-halftime muna si
Tescam.
Tescam.
Okay.
Kaya pa tayo for the video natin babalik.
20 pesos. Okay. Okay.